I ordered something off Amazon, but I don't know what it is right now. I'll open it in just a little bit. Hey guys, Stan here, and you are in my studio. Well, it's not really a studio right now. First thing I gotta do is get rid of this stupid whiteboard behind me, because that doesn't look very good. But this is sort of my man cave-ish area here, and I have decided that I'm gonna do a few projects, and one of those things is I'm gonna move things around, and then this corner here is going to be my brand new studio. Now, just for reference sake, I'm gonna show you where I edit my videos currently. So yeah, let's go. Right here is my computer. I have a 2-monitor setup, which I like, but the monitors are kind of small, so I'm probably gonna do away with both of those. And then the TV that's on the wall, I'm gonna make into a 1-monitor system since it's so large. So this actually is a bit cramped. I'm always hitting my knees right here, and this is not actually a desk. This is a sewing cabinet that's been converted into a desk. So what I want to do is create a space that I'm comfortable being in for hours at a time and inspires creativity. So one of the first things I'm going to do is get rid of the brown on here because it sort of matches the skin, and if you've ever edited video and tried to color grade it, it's not so easy doing that when the background matches the skin tone. But first things first, let's get this furniture moved around, see what kind of space I have to work with. You know what, Roger? I'm not really liking this. Let's try it again. Alright, and there we have it. A nice clean slate for me to work with, and of course I got some junk in the corner because, well, I have kids. And I know the room looks a little lopsided right now, but once I start building stuff and putting it back here in the corner, that will actually rectify itself. So I'm not quite sure where I'm going to put the desk. I was thinking about putting it in the corner and then shooting this way towards the windows behind me. However, I'm a little concerned about the backlighting on that one. Thinking about it, that would give me some pretty good separation between me and the background, providing some depth. I don't know. I'm gonna have to work on the lighting in this room as well. It's all over the place. Speaking of lighting, I got some new lights for the garage. Let's head out there. So up to this point in my workshop, I have been relying mostly on natural light. So the light that you see is basically just light that comes from the sun. That presents some problems when the camera is facing a certain direction. You get sort of this black hole effect in the back of the garage if I'm shooting from one direction. So I went shopping the other day, found some LED lights on Amazon. You can check the description down below. I'll have a link to where I got these in case you're interested. Now they come with these metal clips, so they're pretty easy to install to the ceiling. And these lights aren't very heavy, so these are just the lightest anchors that I could get. I think they hold about 20 pounds, which these lights don't even weigh a pound each. I did do a preliminary layout on the floor, so I kind of know where these are going and where they're not. So these came in a 6-pack, and I got some connectors here, and then that way I can just daisy chain these together. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And you may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. So to prevent these wires from hanging down and looking any more sloppy than they need to, that's what these are for. Hopefully this is going to help out. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Smash that thumbs up button, and we'll check you later.